Hi, I'm Samantha Clayton, fitness expert and former competitive sprinter. I'm working with Herbalife to help you achieve a healthy, active life. Today I'm talking about why adding squats to your daily life can be good for you. Why squat? Because squatting is a functional movement of everyday life. Getting up out of a chair, out of the car, and in my case, picking up toys from the floor, all involve a squatting action. Adding squats to your daily routine may help strengthen your muscles, joints, and tendons, and this added strength can help make the simple tasks of your daily living easier. Now, before doing any exercises, we always start with a stretch. So stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Now, before doing this stretch, you can use a chair for balance if you need to. You're going to bring your leg back as if you're going to kick your butt with your heel. You're going to take a hold of your ankle with your hand and gently pull your heel towards your glute. You should feel this stretch down the front of your leg. Now, if you're not able to grab a hold of your foot, you can use a towel, or you can simply just lift your leg halfway and hold for the stretch. Do this on one side and then on the other. Now, if you're the person that thinks squats are boring, believe me when I say that a squat is not just a squat if you use your imagination. There are several variations for all levels of fitness, and here are a few of my favorites that you can do just about anywhere. Take your feet shoulder width apart, and we can just do a simple squat. The action is to sit back as if you're going to sit in a chair, and then lead forward with your hips. Knees should never go over the toes, so sit back and then stand up. We can do a plie squat that ballerinas do. Your feet that go out to the side. You're going to sit down and again come up to standing. Keep a nice strong core when you do this move. Sitting down and standing back up. You can do a squat with a knee lift where you're going to squat down and challenge your balance on the way up by lifting one knee off the floor at a 90-degree angle. Sit back down and lift the other knee off the floor. Now, when you want to add some plyometric moves to your workout and build up extra strength, you can do squat jump. Sit down, jump up, sit down, and jump up. Like I said, with imagination, a squat is not just a squat.